Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at how to find out which processes on your Windows computer are connecting to external devices. So first of all, you have to right click and then select Task Manager. This brings up this window here and we can see all the processes on the screen here, but we want to know which ones are connecting to the external network. Now we've got all the details of the processes in here, and there's lots of statistics on here. But basically, we can see what's using CPU, what's using memory. But we just want to concentrate on the networking side. So if we click on this tab at the top, we can see that all the processes are listed here, and we've got a process ID. Now the process ID is what we want, and you'll see each process has a unique ID that we can identify it by. So what we do, we load up Windows PowerShell and we type in this command, which is netstat -n-o. The -n doesn't resolve DNS names, so it'll just bring back IP addresses, and -o actually brings up the process ID of that connection. Now we can see here we've got a list of all the network connections that are coming to the computer, and we've also got the process ID. So what we can do, we can cross-reference this to Task Manager. So we'll look at this process ID here, and we will find this in the Task Manager list. So we know that this has got an external connection to an external service here. We can see the external IP address. So let's go and find it in the list here. So let's scroll down a bit. And it's all the way to the bottom, I think, because it's one of the later processes. The earlier numbers, the lower numbers, are usually system processes, but the later numbers are usually user processes or applications you've loaded up. And we can see here that's Outlook.exe, and I indeed do have Outlook loaded up, and that's connected to Microsoft. And we can see other processes here. So what have we got here? We've got another process ID, so let's go and find this one in the list. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's an NVIDIA service. So that's actually connecting to an IP address, which I assume is running some NVIDIA connections for my graphics cards or my software I've got. But there you go. That will tell you how to find out your network connections. And what you can do, you can click on this tab here and click at the bottom, Open Resource Monitor. And Resource Monitor will actually give you more detail. It'll actually tell you the file path. So not just the service which is running, but it will tell you the actual path of the file on the disk. And if you do have issues, you can block that file using services like BitLocker on Windows, or you can delete the file or whatever, or maybe create a firewall rule for this application or this executable to be stopped on the network if you're having issues. But it gives you the ability to trace what you're using. But have a look around your resource monitor, and then you can find out lots of different information about the services you've got running on your computer. So anyway, guys, I hope that's helped you. This is a good way to find out what's using your network, and I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.